Students, at the last class we have studied about the class Pisces, right? And after in the Pisces we have studied in that two classes Chondriacus, Osteiacus, right? And throughout that differences and the class Amphibia also we are studying the frog class. Okay. Today class we are dealing about the reptilia. These reptilia which is we normally called as two terrestrial animals because they are purely adapted for terrestrial form. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ವಾಸಿಸುವಂತದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ್ದ ರೆಪ್ಟಿಲಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸರೀಸೃಪಗಳು ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ರೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ರೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತೆವಳುದು. ಈಗ ಹಾವು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೀಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ತೆಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀ ಈಗ ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೋತ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ locomotion, mode of locomotion is present in the reptilia. Remember this one, their locomotion is by creeping or crawling. Okay, next they are first two terrestrial animals. They are the first form of purely terrestrial form. They do not want water for any sexual reproduction, okay, like that of amphibia. Okay, next they are poikilotherms. They consist the blood with hemoglobin by the cold blooded. They are not having a hot blooded animals. They are cold blooded animals. Okay, they have two paired. They have a two paired of pentadactyl. Penta means five. Dactyl means digits. Okay, they consist the pentadactyl limbs. Limbs means this one. Ide now hand antilla, this one we called as limb. Ee limb enagirutte 5 digit irutta anta. Okay, but in a snake the limbs are absent. Snake ige eniruttilla limbs iralla, only they are having a cylindrical body. Iga crocodile tagori, lizard tagori, avukella 5 digits with claw irtava. They are consist, this is provided the claw. Claw means ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಉಗುರ್ಗತೆ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ, that one we called as claw ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, ಏನ್ರಿ they are pentadactyl limbs with claws. Okay, the digits consist the claws. Okay, next they do not have external ear openings. The reptile do not have any sensation of hearing. ಕೇಳಿಸುವಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಏನಿರುವುದಿಲ್ರಿ ರೆಪ್ಟಿಲಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಟಿಂಫಾನಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಒನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿಂಫಾನಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ ಆಡಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಇನ್ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಚೇಂಬರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೆಪ್ಟಿಲಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, the heart is 3 chambered, but in case of crocodile, ಮೊಸಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಲ್ಲ, in case of crocodile the heart is 4 chambered, 2 auricle 2 ventricle. ಎರಡು ಹೃತ್ಕರ್ಣ, ಎರಡು ಹೃತ್ಕುಕ್ಷಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಹೃತ್ಕರ್ಣ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೃತ್ಕುಕ್ಷಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ here they consist 2 auricles 2 ventricles. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದು ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ 4 ಚೇಂಬರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಕಾಸ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಕಾಸ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವು 3 ಚೇಂಬರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಅದ ವಿಕಾಸದತ್ತ ಹೊಂಟೈತಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ದ ರೆಪ್ಟಿಲಿಯಾ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ mainly 4 chambered heart, but the reptilia consist only 3 chambered heart. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the alimentary canal opens to a cloaca. The cloaca is an opening where the external or excretory opening and the reproduction opening both are same. Genital opening and genital and excretory opening both are same, or a single opening for excretory and reproduction. That's why they are called cloaca. They also consist cloaca. But here for a respiratory organs. Okay, ಉಸಿರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the male provide with copulatory organ. Copulatory organs are nothing but they are the sex organs. Okay, a copulatory organ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾ ಮೇಲ್ ಒಳಗ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ. In next the fertilization is internal. ಅಂದ್ರೆ fusion of male and females takes place in internal of a female body and they are oviparous, they are egg laying animals. Okay, next XR ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕಡೈಸಿಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಎಕಡೈಸಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೀಜನರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಔಟರ್ ಲೇಯರ್. ನಾವು ಪರಿ ಬಿಡುವುದು ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಎಕಡೈಸಿಸ್ we are seen in a snakes. Okay, epididymis also present. And next the eggs are covered by the calcareous cell. Calcareous and the calcium carbonate. Calcium in majority components will be calcium. The calcium in ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ cells ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ cleodic. Cleodic eggs are nothing but the eggs are covered by the calcium or calcareous. Okay, next the example calamenol and calon, dropo, and next cobra, crocodile, and tortoise. These are the example for the class Reptilia. Okay, next class is okay. In this class, we are the main points are they are the locomotion organs is creeping, crawling, and these are the first terrestrial forms. And next they are poculotherms, they are cold-blooded animals. And next they are having the two pair of pentadactyl limbs. Two pair means they consist four. Okay. Next in the snakes the limbs are absent. And next the digits are provided with claws and they do not have external ear opening. They do not have external ear opening. And the heart is 3-chambered. And where in a crocodile they are 4-chambered heart. And the alimentary canal opens with the cloaca. And lungs are the main respiratory organs. And second one, the male is provided with copulatory organ. And last, fertilization is internal and they are oviparous. Okay, and last but not the least, the cleodic eggs are provided by the reptilian cells.